All right, guys, we are here at my little brother Charron's place, and
Hey.
what are we talking about today, JR?
We're building a camper.
We're building a camper, and we're building it on the back of the 1-ton truck. And hopefully, I am going to be driving it down to Georgia next year. And anyways, you want to show them your design versus my design?
Absolutely.
All right, so
what I think we need to have here is a big aerodynamic cab.
perfect. Looks beautiful.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Some legs coming off here. And little dots all over it. My friends say it looks like a ladybug. But I think it's an aerodynamic camper.
You know, I think that you're kind of onto something, but I think you're missing something there.
Oh no, this is good. Could you imagine living in this thing?
Yeah, it's like a yurt.
So I finished my design for this camper here. You can see that's absolute ladybug extraordinaire there.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there she is.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Darren,
Oh yeah.
looks like you haven't put anything down on your piece of paper.
Not yet, but I just wanted to do a few improvements on yours, though. In a great Canadian fashion. I think you should have put a door right here. Make it like an igloo.
Oh.
Yeah, you see? And then you got the little doorknob there already, right?
Oh
you
yeah.
open it up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
Yep.
I like your design as like a grade 3 model type of thing, you know.
Grade 3.
Yes. You see, this is great and everything, you know. It's biodegradable and all that other crap.
Yeah, it's actually made out of bugs.
Yes. And if you get hungry, you probably eat them.
Yep.
Lots of protein. But I think we should kick it up a notch, don't you?
Absolutely, Darren.
So, what are you doing?
Just coming around this side,
Oh, yeah, right. Okay.
playing around with camera angles.
All right, that's good. Yep. So we need this aerodynamic, right? Because we were discussing that before. We had a big clean.
That's why I thought a bug would be a
Yeah.
good model.
Yeah.
They really fly.
Yeah. We don't want that truck flying.
Nope. All right.
So.
Yeah. Let's see what you got up your sleeve.
All right. So.
There, Captain.
So, we've got like some space up here, right, that we can use. So if we made we'd have to have it so it's kind of up like here, right? And then we come straight back like this. So we got some storage in this area. You see what I'm saying here?
Oh yeah.
See that? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get over this little hump there, because I forgot to draw that. Would be right there.
Yeah, the old headache rack.
Yeah, that freaking headache rack. Might just,
Yeah, zitty zit. Yeah.
Yeah. And you come back down here a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Actually, we could actually push this forward a bit so we got an area to stand on.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, cat's ass bus style.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And then, I have a door here somewhere. Couple windows. Got a window up here, just for extra light. And have solar panels on the top.
Oh shit, yeah.
See? Couple other things.
And it'll only take you $28,000 to get down to Georgia and that thing on fuel.
Yes. That's exactly right.
I love it.
You know, I just it's a $350, so it might not be that bad, but cheaper than staying at a hotel at like a Holiday Inn Express View. Yeah.
Express View?
Sure.
Yep. And there you have it, folks.
Hey, Walmart's free, eh?
The way of the future.
That's right.
There's a, what year's that truck?
It's
1924
Just stepped on the board, yeah. 1987.
1987.
GMC 350 TBI or whatever it's called.
Yeah. Perfect.
Fuel injected to the friggin' hoot.
And what
Fuel tanks and a little freaking toolbox on the side.
And what Darren hasn't told you here is this whole thing we're making out of recycled leaves.
Fucking Play-Doh, man.
Yeah. This one's gonna be made out of bugs.
Dirt. So by the time you get there, you're lighting the load.
No.
Fully biodegradable right here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. That's
So
right.
You go there with some stuff in there, you come back with nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could actually probably find enough of those Japanese lady beetle things.
I
We could make
dump
that.
them in my
Oh yeah,
place.
yeah. We could definitely make it.
Be a biodome.
A what?
Biodome.
A biodome.
Sure.
Yep, it's perfect. Special shout out in this video going out to Barrett Hill. Know how much you like Darren's videos, so
Yeah. That's right, Barry.
shout out to you.
And my buddy Calvin's Corner 72. It's my
Calvin's
brother.
Corner 72.
My brother from another mother. Down in Georgia.
All right. Well,
So that's where this truck's gonna go. We're gonna go down, see a bunch of YouTubers and stuff like that. We're gonna take that sucker down there.
1876 GMC truck is going all the way to Georgia. Well, I can't wait to start this project.
It's gonna be a great one. Hey, look, I already did some renos on your place today.
Oh no. You certainly did.
I did. I think they were pretty darn good. So
Yep.
I think we could pull this
Yeah,
off.
we had to get this guy a pair of gloves because he hurt his hands on every single thing he touched.
Yes.
But,
A million nails in the damn wall that you got there. 13 just in one.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right, well,
That's it.
signing off for the night.
All right. I think this is gonna fly.
I think so too, D-Dog.
That's right. Well,
Here we go. In the teacup.
All right, guys. So I'm here with my little brother, JR Charron, and we are looking down here. And what are we looking at there, JR?
Truck.
And what are we gonna do with this truck?
We're gonna build stuff.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna build
All
stuff.
right. What are we gonna build?
We're gonna build
You want to take a gander at drawing that sucker?
What are we building? What are we building again? Oh,
yes, that's right. All right, guys. We're here at my little brother JR Charron's.
Yo,
And JR, what are we doing here?
we're building a camper.
We're building a camper, guys, on the back of the 1-ton truck. So that's the plan. That's what we're going to do. And I am hoping to drive to Georgia with it after. And so any ideas on how we're going to do this, JR?
Not a clue, Darren.
I know. But I do. So, guys, I'm going to give you